What happens to your server when you load a 10 GB file into a list? When you write a list comprehension, Python evaluates every element immediately and stores the entire result in memory. So if you write square brackets with a range of 10 million numbers, all 10 million integers exist in RAM at once. For small datasets this is fine, but scale that up and you are allocating hundreds of megabytes, or crashing, before you have processed a single element. The generator expression uses parentheses instead of square brackets, and it behaves completely differently. Instead of computing everything up front, it is lazy. It produces one value at a time, only when the next value is requested. The generator object itself takes just a few hundred bytes regardless of how many items it represents. Python never stores the full sequence. It calculates and hands off each value on demand. The tradeoff generators are single-use iterators. Once exhausted, you cannot restart them. You would need to create a new generator. But for real use cases like summing values from a large CSV or chaining transformations on a file stream, this is rarely a problem. Calling sum with a generator expression processes each row without ever loading the full dataset. Generator expressions trade one-time traversal for near-zero memory overhead. Use them whenever you are iterating once over a large or infinite sequence. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.